Alpha Day. My name is Derek Royster, and today I'm going to show you how to make Tamales Gisu. Your ingredients are going to be chicken broth, bacon, cornstarch, salt, corn flour, minced garlic, achoti powder, hot pepper, and black pepper. I make tamales like every day, pretty much. Yeah, and I make around 40 pieces. That's about these 2 pots filled all the way to the top. I learned from my girlfriend's mom, and she learned from her mom. Pouring in the chicken broth. Now I'm gonna take the salt, adding a little bit of water, throw in some black pepper. I throw in some garlic, minced garlic. And while that's boiling, you do the same thing for the red pot. Tamales Gisu has 2 different parts. They have the white part and the red part. Now I'm going to prepare the ingredients for the red side of the Tamales Gisu. And the red part is the same ingredients except you add in the achoti powder and to make it hot, the hot pepper. This achoti is what gives it its color. When it boils, the achoti will dissolve and it'll turn the juice inside red. Now I'm going to cut up some hot pepper, maybe about 5 pieces, depends on the person about how hot they want it. Make sure you wash your hands after handling this, ladies and gentlemen. And now I'm going to add in the bacon. There's 2 different ways you can do this. You can dice it up and throw it in the pot as it's cooking, or you can slice it and lay it on the top and place it when the tamales is already, you're already wrapping it. But what we're going to do here is we're going to dice it up. I'm going to take this bacon here that I just diced, and I'm going to throw it over here into the red. Now we're going to put the red side on and start cooking it. Okay, my next step is I'm going to mix some cornstarch, which would be the last step to complete your tamales. So I'm going to mix cornstarch into the water until the water gets creamy. Okay, when you're done mixing it, your cornstarch mix should look like this. Okay, now while the 2 pots are boiling, we're going to go ahead and mix some water and corn flour, because that's the next thing that's going to go inside those pots. Okay, you're going to keep mixing this, and when it's done, it's going to look like this. It's going to get thicker as it sits while your pots are boiling. So if that just happens, just add a little bit more water. I'm going to add in the corn flour into the mix. What the corn flour is going to do is going to make it thicken up. And then once it thickens out a little bit, you add in and you just mix it until it looks like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the white. I'm going to add in the corn flour mixture and let it thicken up. When you're done mixing it, it should look like this, but it should be getting a little bit thicker as you. Once it thickens out more, then you're good to start wrapping. Now that both mixes are done, we're going to wrap it with some tin foil. Okay, so I usually put the white first. You want to put relatively the same amount. Try to make it even. As even as possible, as you can get. It doesn't have to be perfect, because it always comes out the same anyways. So what you want to do is you want to fold it like so, and you put the 2 ends together like this. And what you want to do here is you want to fold it twice. Once right here, and once right there. Crease it down so it doesn't unfold. Okay, now here, flatten down the ends, flip it. I'm going to slide your finger a little bit, clear the tamales out of the end so it doesn't leak. And you want to do 4 folds here. 1 big one and 3 small ones. And you do the same thing to both sides. Then you fold the ends in. Right there. You have one perfect tamale. And that's how you make Tamales Gisu.